before we can start programming, we need a robot to program on. If you're connected to a real robot, then we can just begin programming with RobotStudio on the real controller. If we don't have a real robot, we can still continue to write code and build configurations by working with a virtual controller. So to show you how to do that, I'm going to go over here to Installation Manager on the Controller tab, and you can see we have a couple different options. Installation Manager 7 is for the new type of robot controller, the OmniCore. Installation Manager 6 is for IRC5 with RobotWare 6 on it. And System Builder is for working with the older robot IRC5 cabinets that have the older main computer in it and are running RobotWare Revision 5. So in this case, and what's going to be most common for you guys is to click on Installation Manager 6. If you're physically connected to a robot, then it will show you that you're connected to it. In this case, the robot I'm connected to doesn't have very much memory on it, so it's saying, hey, I recommend you make some free room on this controller. So this is the physical robot we're connected to, and if we were going to go ahead and make changes, then we could go ahead and follow these prompts to make changes on the existing controller and change and add options. But if we're going to go and create a virtual controller, we're going to come over from Network tab to Virtual tab and add a new path. And what are we going to name this one? We're going to name it My First Controller. And we have a couple different options. If we have the premium license and we have the full version or a already existing system, we can just select that existing system and build it from there. Or if we have a backup from a real controller, then we can select from a backup and add it this way. Or if we have nothing, we're just going to go right from scratch. You can go ahead and click New System.